How to fix Snapchat login temporarily disabled. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to fix the temporarily disabled Snapchat login, you need to first go ahead, open a browser on your mobile device and simply search for Snapchat support. Go ahead and type in Snapchat support in the search bar. Tap on I can't access my account. You can also directly go to help.snapchat.com and go to this page. Scroll all the way down and then tap on Contact Us option, which is highlighted in black color. This will take you to the Contact Us form where you need to go ahead and enter your correct username, then enter your email address which is associated with your account and Snapchat can contact you from. Now go ahead and also enter your mobile number in this box, and in the description box explain the problem you're having with Snapchat. And once you're finished, tap on Submit, which is highlighted in black color, and your request will be sent to Snapchat support. Within 24 to 48 hours, they should provide a solution to help you regain access to your account. So that's how you can fix a temporarily disabled Snapchat login. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.